All right, this is Science, week 25, and this is day 2 of the Science. Today you're going to start off by looking at watching a video here. Put that in present mode, watch the video, because you're going to do something similar to what they're doing after this. So after this, you're going to find a mirror in your house or another reflective object. And you are going to use a flashlight or a light on your tablet or your phone, whatever you can find, to shine light onto the mirror. And you want to try and shine that light so that it bounces off the mirror onto another wall or onto the ceiling. And then you're going to draw you're going to draw a model to represent how you shone that light into the mirror and it reflected to another wall. So there is a teacher video here, and I would recommend that you watch that because she shows you pretty clearly how you could draw that model. After you draw that model, you're going to submit a picture of your model here if you are at distance, and in your class your teacher will tell you how she wants you to do that. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to finish a model that they started drawing. So you're going to look at the angle that the light is hitting the mirror, and then you're going to draw an arrow to show where that light would travel. And if you look over here to the left, there's a little area over here to the left that shows you how to insert an arrow into your slide. And that's it for day 25. Have fun with this experiment. It's pretty fun to play with light, I think, and mirrors.